streets of industrial area, you expect nobody around. There's fucking forklifts and fucking cars pulling out everywhere. It's fucking, what's going on here? Sunday morning, I don't expect too many people to be around here now. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning, so alright, we'll give it a bit of squirt up here. So here we go, first gear, second, third. So again, kind of running out and out of road. Yeah, it's not bad for you know, like I said, for a 340. Yeah, they're nice to drive, but I just got an itch to do this supercharger upgrade after I've seen them on YouTube. Imagine a mate of mine's got a VX. He's had it for years, but he supercharged it. I've been in that. I've actually driven it. Yeah, they're a totally different animal, and you know, kind of obviously takes the car to its limits, which is really nice. Rather than being kind of, I guess, for want of a better word, dumbed down. So yeah, we'll do a video on that. We'll get this one uploaded, and then we'll do a video on that once the upgrade's done. So maybe subscribe to the channel or something like that. I might do some more videos. Once the upgrade's done, I might even do a few more drive arounds and stuff like that as well, so you get a bit of an idea and feel for the car. At the moment, as I mentioned before, I was about to mention, all I've done so far is I've done stiffer front and rear sway bars, that's it, and I've lowered it, lower springs 2 centimetres, and all that was pretty much done 6 months after I bought it. I've had the car for 5 years now. So I kept it standard, didn't really want to play with it whilst under warranty and stuff things up. It did actually, I did actually need a front ball joint replaced at one point. I think it was just before or just after the warranty ran out. Holden's replaced it anyway, and the mechanic there said it's because I put a stiffer sway bar in the front that pulled on the ball joint, and it was an oversized bar. So, you know, things like that, I didn't want to touch it. Now it's out of warranty, I figure, you know. They're not making these cars anymore. You're not going to be able to buy them anymore, obviously, and, you know, you start doing things like supercharger upgrades and so on. I mean, they become rare as hen's teeth. And it's not so much about the actual investment value of it that I'm looking at. I'm just looking at the drivability of the car, just the fact that you say, I've got one, you know. And you can get in it whenever you want and go for a drive. I don't get these people that want to, and each to their own, but who just want to, you know, they upgrade it or they just buy it as it is and they stick it in the garage. I just don't get it. You might as well do that. You might as well buy a block of land. If there's a block of land, you can't do anything with it, so all you can do is sit there. The car, you can actually drive it. And, you know, you can keep it for 10, 15 years or something like that, and sure it'll be worth, you know, 200 grand or whatever it might be at the time. But you know, you're going to give it to someone else to drive. You've never driven it. You know, I just don't get that. Really don't get it. Yeah. So anyway, this is pretty much a daily driver in the future with some job changes going on at the moment. So we'll see how we go. If I'm having to start taking public transport, then the car's going to sit in the garage a bit more than it does. But since I've had it, it's been a daily driver. I use it for. I've been using it for 2 jobs, full-time job, and I run my own business, so yeah, it gets a fair bit of use. That's why I've done 120k in that time, so I was, well, you know, well into the 20,000 a year kilometres and probably slightly above that. But I've got no plans to garage it, not at this point in time. I might do 5-10 years. Maybe I'll buy something else and then just can stick in the garage, and then 10 years after that it becomes low kilometre. I don't know. See what happens, you know, maybe then look at the value of it. But at the moment, man, I just love fucking driving this car. I couldn't bear fucking sticking it in the garage and not driving it. Fuck that. I'll be itching to fucking get in it. as I do, and that's why I fucking do drive it every day. Another reason. Very rarely a day goes by and I don't drive this car. It's just so much fun. So yeah, anyway, probably enough waffle from me for now for this video, and yeah, we'll get it uploaded, and I'll talk to you guys later.